Depending on the installation situation, it may be necessary to change the side on which the door is hinged. To do this, you must work through the following steps. The door hinges have a closing spring. Please always release the tension in this spring before working on the door hinges by turning the adjusting screw from position 1 to position 0. Remove the plastic covers from the hinge and from the mounting point. Loosen the mounting screws in the doors. The screws are tightened very tight at the factory. It's easier to loosen the screws if you tap the screwdriver as you unscrew them. Hold the door tightly so that it doesn't fall. It's very heavy. Now undo the mounting screws and remove the hinges. To replace the ventilation grill, the mounting screws must first be unscrewed. Then remove the ventilation grill and mounting piece. Remove the mounting bracket, place it on the other side and secure it there. Fit the plastic retainer on the other side and screw on the ventilation grill that is included separately with the appliance for changing the side on which the door is hinged. Once you have completed the work on the trim, you can start on the door. Move the two mounting brackets at the top and bottom of the door to the new hinged side. Diagonally swap the two hinges so that the bottom hinge is moved to the top on the opposite side and the top hinge is moved to the bottom on the opposite side. Close the hinges, position the door and screw it to the hinges. Make sure that the screws are well tightened. Now the closing springs on the hinges can be retensioned. To do this, turn the adjusting screw back into position. Refit the cover parts. If the appliance is to be fitted as an individual appliance, then you should now swap the side-fixing flanges diagonally. In the case of a side-by-side installation, the flanges can simply be removed. The side at which the door is hinged has now been changed.